start with the samosa recipe. Now to make the dough, I'm taking 3/4 of a cup of whole wheat flour and 1/4 of a cup of plain flour or maida. I'm adding a pinch of salt and mixing the flour and the salt well. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of oil and I'm going to mix everything really well till you're able to hold the flour in your hand like this. Then you're going to add little water at a time. So I might have used about 4 to 5 tablespoons of water and make this dough into a nice firm yet elastic kind of dough. So keep kneading it for about a minute or so and then just leave it aside or to rest for 5 minutes. After that, we're going to dust our surface with a little bit of the flour and coat the dough with the flour. And now you're going to roll it into 1-inch thickness like this, into a big square like this. You should be able to lift the dough. See, that doesn't stick to the surface. Then I'm going to use my pizza cutter, or you can use a knife and just cut it into a square shape. You don't throw off the dough, that sides, you can use that again. Reuse it to make more samosas. So now I've got 3 even sized patties. Now I'm going to cut them into halves. Now I'm going to take one tip and bring it to the edge like that, and then again like that. Seal this part which I'm pressing down, and then just take it in the palm of your hand like this. Fill it up with this kheema. Now I'll leave a link to this kheema recipe in the description box as well as the comment section. And then just push the kheema down, apply some water to the top triangle like this, and then just fold it over tightly and seal the samosa. Now we're going to be deep frying this, so this shouldn't open, otherwise all the kheema will go into the oil. It will be a fiasco. So seal it nicely. See that there's no opening, no loose ends. Take your time with it. So with this amount of dough, I got about 12 samosas of this size. Now you can make these samosas, freeze them in your freezer and fry them whenever you want. It lasts for a month in the freezer and for about say 3 or 4 days in the normal fridge. So like this, make the samosas, and then all you have to do is just deep fry them till they're nice and golden brown in color. Now I could have left the kheema recipe at the end of the video, but then the video becomes very long. So I'll leave a link below, as well as at the end of the video you'll see a screen with the kheema on it. Just click on it and it will take you directly to the kheema recipe. So enjoy this lovely samosas with some ketchup or chutney and enjoy it. They're nice and crispy, and the inside is amazingly delicious. Let me open up one for you and show you.